guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I really appreciate it, and I do miss you guys, and I hope you miss me too. So I know it's been so long I didn't upload videos. It's because I have a work. Yep, I have a work after 12 to 13 years, and I'm happy with it. I have no problem with it. I'm trying my best. So yes, so because of that, I actually received my first salary, and of course I want to buy something memorable. That it's my first salary, so that's why I want to share with you my purchase from Louis Vuitton. It's a runaway shoes, so please stay with me, and I hope you like this video. So I tell you a little bit story of my shoes, just a little bit. So before I purchased this, I actually been wanting these shoes since last April during my birthday. But then I did not get it. It's because they are out of stock of my size. So I ended up buying the Chanel trainers. I really love trainers, so yeah, I'm buying another one. So this is what I got last April. And then I totally forgot about it. So when I get the salary, I thinking about to get the Valentino sling bag, and or either the Christian Louboutin sneakers. But then I just remember, wait a minute, let me have a look for the Louis Vuitton runaway. So I went to the website, and yes, they're available on my size, and I just grab it. So yeah, that's the story about it. So here we go. This is the the big box over here. It's quite big. So I haven't opened it. My husband received it today. It was supposed to be last Friday, but there was nobody at home, so they reschedule it for today. So yes, I got it today. So shall we open? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got my address here, so I better not show my address. Oh my god, it's so big, so big. So as you can see, a big Louis Vuitton over there. Ooh, look at that. Here we go. There she is. Oh my god. And how I'm gonna open it? Oh, like that. I should have a big space for opening it. Okay. So I got I guess this is the receipt. I'll open it later. Let me just take the box. And another paper here. And yeah, so here's the box. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, it's so heavy. Oh my god. Don't tell me the shoes is heavy. So let's just put aside that big box right there. So here's the box. Louis Vuitton. So I'm wondering this shoes is heavy or not, because it's quite heavy. So yeah, let's open this one. This should be oh yeah, I wrote a letter for myself. I know, but I just want to have this memory. Dear Wilmalyn, congratulations on your new purchase shoes from your very own first salary. You and your feet deserve it. Enjoy, beautiful. Ah! And then this one is, yeah, it's a receipt. So this shoes is called Runaway Trainers, and the price for these shoes is £690, including VAT. Yeah, that's it. And it says, thank you for shopping Louis Vuitton. Your product has been... Okay, yeah, they always give that one. So yes, here we go. This is the exciting for me when I open it. Is the ribbon. So here we go. Let's open it. It's exciting. This is the exciting one. Da-da-dun, da-dun. Oh, feels good. Oh, they make it tight. You always do this. Make it so tight. Okay, I need to fast forward this. Let me just open it quick. Why? I hate that. Why? So I got it open now. So annoying, isn't it? When you're like so excited and then they make it so tight. Alright. Here we go. That's the ribbon and a little bit booklet. Just something in there. So here we go. Oh, it's not the fluff. Okay, so it's over here. Right, here we go. Ta-da-dun, ta-dun. I'm so excited. It's quite heavy, the shoes. Oh my god, I hope it's comfortable. Ta-da! Oh my god. Okay, that's the box. Let's just put it here for now. So this is what it looked like. They get a very special dust bag each of the shoes, and we got a booklet instruction. What we have here is, I'm not sure, I'll open it. Okay, this is extra shoelaces. We need that. So here's the shoes. Let's take it out from the box. There you go. Look at that, fancy for shoes. Oh no, it's quite heavy for the shoes. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't wait to see this. I saw it already. I saw it. Alright, here we go. Ready? Get set. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Hello, how are you? Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, you're so beautiful. Pink, pink, pink. It's quite heavy shoes. I can't believe that it's heavy. I hope this is comfortable. And I hope it's big enough for my feet. Let's take another one. Open it. Oh my god, this is heavy shoes. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I'm so in love with you. So let me show you close up a little bit. So that's the front with suede and leather. And then there's a Louis Vuitton there. And then the back as well, over there. And then Louis Vuitton as well here, which is made in Italy. Made in Italy. And the inside is with Louis Vuitton Paris. And there's a Louis Vuitton also in here. And yeah, that's it. It's quite heavy shoes, to be honest. This is quite heavy. It's not like my Chanel trainers. It's quite light. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna take a video as well wearing it, so you could see the look of it while wearing. And also I'm just gonna tell you, this is size 5.5 UK. I normally size 6, but everyone said you go half down size because these type of shoes are a bit large. So yeah, so I went for 5.5. So we'll find out if it's gonna fit in on me. And it's quite heavy. Didn't expect that, but it's a shoes. I love it. You get to treat your feet. I love it. Oh my god. So I got a pink Chanel over there. I could match it, or maybe the nude Valentino, or any color you can wear it. Oh my gosh. So I just want to show you what I've noticed, and I found this inside the shoes. So I'm guessing if you are short and you can get a little bit tight in there, maybe 2 inch, it's not bad. And it's still heavy without this, because this is very light and it's still heavy. So yeah, that's the normal one, but still, you see, still got I think 2 inch in here and another 2 inch here. So yeah, it helps a little bit if you are short, so that's good. I've tried it on for this height as comfortable, and this one, this height is also comfortable, so doesn't bother me actually. I will find out on Thursday, because I'm gonna wear it on Thursday to go out for a meal with my husband, and I will let you know if it's comfortable or not. But I've googled and I watch a lot of videos. They all say it's comfortable, so I shouldn't be worried about it. So yeah, so that's new. So I'm just letting you know about that. And yeah, that's it. So let's go for wearing it. So that's it for the video. So I find it a little bit still loose. It's because maybe I don't have socks, and it's quite comfortable. It's not tight. I have a wide feet, but it's still comfortable, no problem. A little bit heavy, but I can manage it. So that's why we'll find out on Thursday if I'm gonna walk a lot. So yeah, I love it and I'm happy for it, and I hope that you enjoyed that video, guys. If you ever plan to buy these shoes, please, if you are not so sure, try it on the shop, or maybe you could order it, and there's always 30 days return anyway if you don't love it. So this will stay with me. I'm not returning it, and I'm just gonna enjoy it. And autumn and winter is coming, so it's perfect. So perfect for me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you soon again for my next video. And if you have any question, please comment below, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't a member of our family, please join, click that button and put the ring bell, and you will get updated for my next video. I know it takes a while for my video, guys, but so I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. I love you so much, and have a good day all. Bye.